Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time Don't Judge with your host Bailey and my co-host Vinny, who is very upset because I won't let him touch what's on the table right now. I have a review video for you. I have yet to open these, so we're gonna see how they perform. I got myself, I'll show you guys one of them before I tip down. Got myself a random 24 pack of canni nail art output gel paint, and very well sealed. I've noticed all of them. They came very well packaged, very inexpensive for this 24 pack. So we're going to angle down here, and I'll show you guys the numbers that I got because they're not all in order. They just kind of, when you pick the random 24, they just pick you 24, and you kind of get what you get. So let's see the numbers that we got, and then I'll open them, show you guys the colors, and then I'll do a quick little art tutorial to see how they perform. So pause, adjust the camera, and I'll be right back. All right, hey, bunny hands. All right, so literally, oh my gosh, I had to open these things with an X-Acto knife. I had to bust out the big guy. So I'm going to go through these really quickly with you guys and let you know the numbers because they are not exactly in order because, like I said, they're a random selection. So when I picked it, they just picked 24 random colors and send them to you. So the first one, going from the lowest number, so this one is 506, and now in real life, they don't match the color on the label. They're all like totally different. This one is like a nice nude, just a nice nude skin tone color, really pretty. 524, more of a darker skin tone color, and I did give them all a stir, as you can see from the bubbles. They are a very, very, very thin gel, so these are like true gel paints. So we could probably do some one stroke with these, which would be fantastic. 530, just your ordinary everyday white. Next one, 542. This is like crimson red. So it does not, in my eyes here, does not match the label. The label's much darker, but this is like a very bright, vibrant red, like rosy red. I actually might use that one in the art. So, and then the next one after that is 545. Another red, pretty close in tone to the last red, just slightly lighter, but still a very pretty, ooh, I just noticed. The little safety thing you came out of the lid. Yeah. All right. Pop that back in. So definitely going to need to do like swatches of these. Now this one, oh my goodness. Camera not doing it any justice. 547. This is literally like neon coral. It looks much darker on camera, but oh my god, I love this color. Favorite, favorite, favorite so far. All right, next is 561. This is a beautiful couture clay brown color. Very, very classy color. You can do a lot of like French pearl designs with that one. And then they totally skip out of the 60s and go right into the 70s. 571. This is a beautiful burgundy, dark, plummy, reddish burgundy. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we go up to 573, which is, camera's not picking up, but this is more of a brown red. Really pretty. I like, oh, so many things you can do with these. And I really think I'm going to enjoy the consistency of these because they're all very thin. All right. And then higher up in the 70s here, 579, a beautiful purple, almost like the color of the walls in my office. Very gorgeous, deep purple color.
And then nothing in the 80s, but I got right up to the 90s. 798, beautiful, very pale lavender. Gorgeous color. I love color in general. I feel so bad because my daddy can't see color. So yes. And then 790. Oh, I went backwards there. So 796. This is like neon magenta. Again, camera not picking it up, but very, very bright. Does not match this label at all. It seems like it matches it, like when you look through the camera lens, but no. All right. And then 602. Now, this to me is like lime green, and this is yellow. So these definitely don't match. I don't know if you guys can catch that on the camera, but to me, the label does not match what's inside, but beautiful, bright, almost like a canary yellow. So definitely got to do some swatches. This one too. This is like a darker sagey, well, almost like a Tiffany on here, but this is like green slime, like at Nickelodeon. That's the color that I see. So it's still a very fun color. You can mix that with some glow in the dark and get some really great results. 606. Now it looks blue on camera, but this is definitely a turquoise, very true to the label. Very elegant, pale turquoise color. All right, and then just one notch up, 607, sorry, and just a little darker than the 606. Still really beautiful, like a robin egg. Bluish turquoise. And then here we have 610, another gorgeous blue. It looks more blue on camera, but it is more of a green in real life. Still very, very, very couture. When I see this color, I think couture. All right, this one I want to say genie. So 611, like a genie blue from Aladdin. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. All right, last row here, and then we got 612, a little lighter than the 611. This is like a true robin egg blue. Wintry blue, I would say. Very pretty. And these are very, very full jar. I'm very happy with how full these jars are. So 613, your general black color. Yeah, very full jars and a lot larger than I would say. What's a good example here? So one of my shiny shades, pretty close in size and shape, but when it's filled, like this feels a lot heavier than one of these ones here would. All right, moving on. 617. This is like a periwinkle. I want to say periwinkle, dark periwinkle, not quite periwinkle, but a dark periwinkle. Beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Do you see this? This is gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Next, this one, very, very pale. Like I want to feel like baby blue, very pale. 620. Gorgeous colors. Oh, like they gave me a really great array of colors. Not too many pinks, which is one thing I despise when you get randoms. They send you too much pink and not enough of the other. All right, 628. The label looks chocolate brown, but it looks more like burgundy. Pardon my Manny, y'all. I'm gonna get to this one, I promise. What was I saying? I get so distracted. Looks chocolate brown on the label, but very dark burgundy, like deep, dark red brown. Still a very beautiful color. And then this one reminds me of like, you know, the raisin commercial, the like talking, walking raisin guys, the dark raisiny, grapey purple. So 636 is very raisin, brown, purple, red So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, I'm going to select a few colors. I'll show you guys the colors, and then we'll do a quick little art demo to see how these work. So pause, be right back.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am very, very happy with the beautiful colors that was sent in the random package. Sorry, I'm trying to put the lid back on my dapping dish here. Beautiful array of colors. Some are very vibrant, some are a little more toned down. Definitely need to do swatches because they're not true to the label that's on them. They control very nicely on my smaller brush. I will do some other art tutorials with the canny gel paint. I want to, because I want to see if I can do some one stroke with them and things like that. But I found that just the red and white design there, it controlled very well on a small brush. It's not too raised off the nail, which is nice because a lot of times some of the more medium density colored gels will kind of sit higher when you apply it, and then you kind of get a little bit of bumpiness. So I like that it sits a little more flush to the nail. So beautiful consistency, beautiful colors, work really, really well. I do suggest if you guys are looking for gel paint, definitely go and hunt these down. I got mine off of AliExpress. 24 random colors for 19 and change US. So I really like them, and they came really, really fast in like a month, not even. And I just finished curing. Put a top coat on this one, and I'll show you guys in this light here. But beautiful, beautiful. It's not too, raised, not too bumpy. Beautiful. I'm very, very happy with these. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that review / tutorial there. Click, comment, like, subscribe, and share with the universe. Keep going back and keep me. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram, DC_Jazzy_time, and please follow my business page, Beautiful Nails by Design, BEETIFUL, not BEA. I post there all the time. Anywho, I'm gonna get to another review video because I have mail piling, so I have to get to some videos. And I'm closed this weekend. We're kind of a little snowed in. So, yeah. Anywho, I hope you all stay tuned